Hi, I'm Kazar from J2Play. In this video, I'm going to show you how the J2Play platform allows people to take their identity, in this case their Facebook identity, with them to all games regardless of the platform that game is on. The platform could be web, in this case a Facebook game application, or it could be outside of Facebook, for example a PC downloadable game or a mobile game. What this implies for users is that they can take all their friends, all their achievements, and all their credentials that they have accumulated over time throughout all games that are J2Play enabled with them everywhere they go without having to do anything. The J2Play platform allows game developers on web, PC, and mobile to easily integrate a whole host of engagement features to increase their active users. It gives them a lot of viral features which take advantage of the Facebook's viral features, such as mini feeds, notifications, mini profile portlets, or invites, as well as other ones specific to the J2Play platform. So first I'm going to show you some of these engagement features, followed by the viral features, and then I'll switch up to the PC and the mobile demos. This is a game called Linguo, which uses our 5-minute quick integration to get access to 7 features right off the bat, and then they added a whole bunch of other features which require a little bit more work. So just the quick features you can get right off the bat are the ratings, the comments. The sidebar has a list of all the people that are online right now, so you can chat with them. So there's a chat feature with different rooms you can go to. You get a room automatically created for your game, so people can chat about your game in there. There's friends list, so you can see all the friends you've accumulated over time. And the platform works on all the different social networking sites, including Orkut, MySpace, Hi5, Bebo, Friendster, iGoogle, and so on. You can make friends with people from all these different sites, and you can play with people from all these different sites, so you're not limited just to Facebook people. And you can invite your Facebook friends. Some of the other features that you can integrate with your game are challenges, so you can create a challenge mode for your game, and from Facebook you can challenge anybody within Facebook or on other different social networking sites. So for example, here you can challenge people from MySpace, other people from Facebook, Friendster, people from Orkut. It all works. Another feature is leaderboards. Leaderboards, again, is a customizable feature for your game. It's a ranking system, and it takes into account all users from all different sites. So you can see in this game, Facebook users are the top people, and there's people from Friendster, Orkut, or MySpace also playing the game. Another feature you can integrate is badges. These are specific goals you create in your game, and you reward the user with a badge and an amount of credits, so they'll come back to your game to get these rewards, and they can show it off to their friends, and all these information travels with them at all times. Another one is credits, which you can use as a currency in games to buy certain things or spend it or play at high stake tables. Another one is your profiles. This comes automatically with it too, so it keeps track of the games you play, the badges you earned so far, so there's different badges in different games, and your friends. And this is the information that travels with you at all games. So I'm going to talk about the viral features for a bit before switching up to PC and mobile. As you can see, the platform shows what people are playing right now, so there's a real-time status update. So right now I'm in Linguo, in a Linguo application on Facebook. But there's another person, totally UN ... playing daily Sudoku on MySpace. So I found that game. With just one click, I can go into that game. I'm still in the Linguo application. I don't have to install any other apps. But now I can play that Sudoku game because I discovered it. So that's another viral feature that you get on top of the Facebook ones. And this is integrated throughout the whole application. So another way to do that, way to find those games, is through more games. And you can see these are the new release games, so you get that initial exposure. Another idea here is friends favorites. So what the platform takes into account is what you and your circle of friends play, as well as the frequency of play and the ratings of these games to create these lists. So everybody's gonna have a unique list based on their circle of friends. So each game could become famous within its own circle and kind of find its own audience depending on the taste of those people. For example, that's also shown in our homepage. Our homepage, again, shows games you and your friends play instead of the top 10 games of the day. So it's always based on your social information in a way. And there's many other places that you can invite people and see them to the app or virally distribute your app. And these things send actual notifications to Facebook. Now I'm going to quickly switch up to a PC game and show you how that's done. So this is so far you've seen how the platform allows you to do all the things on the web. And now I'm going to show you how the platform extends all this to other platforms that you couldn't do before. So this is a PC downloadable game called Shapeshifter, and obviously you can't play this in a web browser. So what you can do is you can download this game, and just to speed this up, I already downloaded and installed the game. So before I load it up, I just want to show you something. So as you can see, I'm Kasra, credit is 79, I don't have any ratings, nobody has rated me yet, and I have a bunch of friends, Clint, Larry, Mimi, Aaron, and this is kind of the information that I have with me. And my profile, these are the games I've played. I have 3 badges, and here's a glimpse of my friends. So I'm just gonna log out of Facebook, minimize this, and this is the Shapeshifter game that I've downloaded and installed. So I'm just gonna load this up. So it's connecting. As you can see, all the information is getting passed down now to the PC game. So again, my name is there. I get a notification too that one of my friends is online. My name is there. My credits are the same. I still don't have any ratings. Same friends, Clint, Larry, Mimi, Colin, Daniel. They all travel with me now to the PC game, and I can play this PC game. So I'll just show you the game for a second. Just gonna cancel that. Same features again. Save engagement features are available on the PC platform that developers can take advantage of and plug into their games. So for example, high scores. This game has high scores, and here's a bunch of people who've played the game so far. Another thing, another advantage of this platform is that it allows you to, it wants to create all the games are connected, and each game becomes a node. So because the platform creates a network of games, and each game is a node. So each game is an entry point to all the other games. For example, we saw that on the web with the Linguo game. Now I'm going to show you how you do the same thing on PC game. So this is a PC game, and there's still the more games category, and we just played that Linguo game on the web. I can discover the same game that was a Facebook application now from a PC game. If it's a web game, you can discover that game and play it from your PC game now. So the PC game is a portal, it's an entry point to the network of all the other games. Gives you an opportunity for people to find your game from other locations as well. So I can play that game. Okay, now I'm gonna show you one more thing, and this is the mobile game. So I'm just gonna close this again. Go back to Facebook now.